So guys, today we have got a unique equipment that is used for car washing, home cleaning and many other cleaning purpose. Before getting started, I would like to tell you about the pressure washer specification. This is the machine of 1.5 HP. It's a genuine copper winded motor. By this machine you get the pressure of somewhere around 60 to 100 bars. By this machine you can get the same quality of car wash at your home that you get in a professional car wash center. So now let me tell you what all accessories that you get with this machine. One side it has an inlet and the another side it has the outlet. With this machine you get a very good quality hose pipe. It's a steel braided hose pipe. Please make sure while buying the machine you must see that the outlet pipe should be steel braided hose pipe. Otherwise the pipe would get cracked. So the next thing you get is the pressure gun. You can connect this gun with a foam lance by losing this nozzle, short nozzle, and connecting that nozzle to the foam lance. Next thing you got is the filter. This is the inlet filter which prevents the dust coming inside the motor. So next you have got a connector. If you want to connect this motor with the tap water pipe, you can connect this while using this connector. It has a coupler connector type of connector.